Say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
I'm going to make some slime today. Okay, you want to pour it in here. Once you pour it into the bowl, can you pour it in? Oh, yeah. This is just your plain white Elmer's glue. We're liking to make messes. Woo! You like it? Can you tell everybody your name is Kamran?
My name's Kamran.
Your name is Kamran? You like slime?
Slime?
Slime is one of his favorites. Mama made a promise that we would make some slime today, so we thought we would share with you. Guys, this is just easy slime. We know how to make some more complicated slime too. Can I see? Let's scrape all of this glue in. Let's try to get all the glue in. All right, use my spoon for the thing. Okay, hold on just a second, okay? Let me, Okay, so we are making that. You wanna squirt this in?
What is it?
Okay, so then we just have some plain shaving cream.
Ready?
Yeah, you wanna stir it up? Okay.
Whoa!
This one is, we don't have very much left in this one, so we're finishing it off. Okay, let's get a better one. Let's see if we can finish this one off. Ready?
Whoa!
And we're just going to add quite a bit because we like our slime fluffy.
Okay.
Okay, you want to stir it? You want to stir it up with your spoon? Here. There you go. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Okay. You want some color?
No.
What color do you want to make it?
A red.
You want red? You want some red slime? Okay,
Red
let's stir it
slime.
up. Okay, it's kind of thick. We may end up having to add a little bit more glue because we were running really low on our Elmer's glue. So we do have some clear glue over there we could add into it. Okay. But I think this actually will work perfect. It looks so tasty. It smells awesome. That's the best thing about using the shaving cream is the slime smells so good and clean. So, okay, you want red or you want orange?
More red?
You want red? Okay. Let's see. We have
Red.
my slime laser red stuff here. Okay, so we're gonna.
Ready?
Woo! Oh yeah, let's show it how it kind of creeps down in there. We put a lot because we wanted it really red. So let's show you. Okay, you want to stir it? You want to stir? Here you go. You want to stir? You want me to get you a bigger spoon? Here, let me get you a bigger spoon. Okay, let me get you a longer spoon. This spoon? There you go. You stir it.
Stir it.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Make it all nice.
Is the color red?
It is the color red.
Red?
Red?
Does
What
color-
other things are red? Are apples red?
Apples red.
Apples are red. And cherries are red.
Cherries red.
Yeah. What else is red?
Puzzles red.
Yeah. Can you ask everybody? Say, can you comment below what things are red?
Red?
Yeah. Hopefully people make nice comments. Yeah. Okay. Look at you doing good. So now it's actually kind of a pinkish color. You want more red?
More
You
red?
want to do more red? Okay, we'll do some more red. So we will make it super duper red. More red. Okay, let's stir some more. Let's stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. All right. You see how he is just stirring with one hand and he's not even getting his other hand involved? It's because we have our blankie here. Our blankie goes everywhere with us. Kamran's kind of become a little star for his C-section video. You get to see him be born, and we didn't know. We just posted it as kind of a fun thing, and it's actually gone pretty good. So now it's all mixed up. So now I've already pre-made a borax solution. We found it works pretty well. I'm just gonna stir it a little bit more. It is half a cup of warm water to 1 teaspoon of borax. And you can buy borax in the laundry soap section at the store. I think it's like $2 for a box, and I think that box will last till probably long in the grave because of how little it takes to make it if you're using it just for slime purposes. So it's kind of worth it, and we found that it does work really well. Okay, I am going to...
Okay, all done.
No, don't wipe it in your hair, you silly goose. Okay. Yeah, let's get it all off. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, Mama got it all over herself. Okay, ready to put a little bit of this in and start making the slime? And so you're going to just kind of dribble it in a little bit. Some people do it by the teaspoon. It's, you know, each person's different. But yeah, let Mama stir it good, and then we will get you some slime. And you can already start to see that it's starting to set up a little bit. So we're going to turn it this way so people can see that it's getting thick. If you like to have it a little bit more foamy, you can add even foam soaps, the foam hand soap, but it's about the same as using the shaving cream, and the shaving cream you can buy at the dollar store. You know, the whole thing about the slime is to not break the bank and have a fun project to do with your munchkins. So it's also a great science project for school. So now it's still pretty like sticky here. So
squishy.
It is squishy.
All done.
Almost. Let's squish it up a little bit.
Squish it
up a little bit. Yeah.
All done.
Kind of turn pink. Okay.
All done.
Let's squish it in. Do you want to add something to it? Do you want to put something into it? Or you want just this? You want to squish?
Squish.
Here, put your blankie down. Mickey Mouse blankie goes everywhere and has since we were born, pretty much. Okay, got it. You're all ready? You're going to squish it up. You can put it in there, okay? Nope. In the bowl. Squish it here. You want to squish it here? Let me get you a mat, okay? You can put it on the mat and squish it. Okay. There you go. Squish, 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 squish. Fun. This is fun in like, what is this? 10 minutes? Not even 10 minutes, really. We probably could have done it even faster. Ooh, does it feel good? You want to put some little floamies in there? You want to put some stuff in it? Let Mama wash her hands. You keep playing. I'm going to get you some stuff, okay? Keep squishing. Keep squishing. purples.
Purple.
Purple. There we go.
Uh-oh.
You can squish it in. I'll sprinkle them and you can squish it.
Already?
It's okay. Here you go. I'm gonna put some in. These little foamy things are not very expensive, but let me tell you,
Whoa.
once they get out, they just are they're hard to control. So, do we blow them on? Yeah. Now let's squish it in. Ooh, foamy ones. Cool. Squish it all in. What color are these?
Purple.
Purple. Nice. Somebody has a birthday party coming up. Are you going to have a birthday? Hmm? You're going to have a Candyland birthday. 'Cause this boy loves candy. And it's already October. Ready? You want to pull it apart? Or you want to add some more? Let's put some more in. Let's squish it like this and let's put some more in. You want more? Sprinkle some more. Make it everywhere.
Whoa.
Whoa. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots.
What?
Okay, now let's, you want to squish it in? Woo, Rosie's talking. Rosie's like, I want to do it. Rosie is our African gray parrot, and she loves when we do things with her around. Okay, ready? Squish it in. Ready? Squishy, squishy. Squish it in. Okay, ready? Let's see if it can come up this side. Ooh.
Wow. Well done.
You want to squish it apart? You want to pull it?
Really?
Ew. Squishy, squishy. No, leave it here. Mama, you can have it at the table in a minute, okay? Only at the table. Now, a word to the wise to all the moms and dads, teachers. This stuff, this foamy one, it does come off a little easier if it has been stuck to something like, say, a couch. Not that we would know. Yeah, we would know.
Oh,
But
wow.
it still can leave behind a residue.
Oh, no.
So if you immediately either can take your couch cushion and put it into the washing machine, it will come right out. So don't panic. But the clear glue ones and the clear slimes, oh my goodness, they stick and they're so hard to pull off. Again, you can throw them in the wash and it works great. Now, when it is on an area that you cannot throw in the wash, it takes a lot of scrubbing and you need to do it immediately so that you don't ruin your furniture. So, word to the wise, play with slime outside or at the table, just like Play-Doh. So, say, can you ask everybody to comment?
Are you gonna comment?
Comment on my video.
Comment on you.
And can you subscribe?
And guess what?
And thank you and have a good day.
Back today.
Okay. That's a wrap. Nope.